Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. Okay. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Ellis Sherrod 254, man. As you can see, just trying to do some tightening up, man. I just finished working on the rearview mirror and got this struts replaced here today, as well as the day before yesterday, or the day before yesterday. I went ahead and I swapped over the AC compressor. It's turned out to be the culprit for that squealing, so we got that taken off of there. Put a bypass on there for the meantime. AC really not a priority right now in the review, because you know we got a whole lot of other more things they were working on. Cutlass in the box. Let's talk about Cutlass. So the Cutlass what we had was a package. We got a package that came for the Cutlass. This was delivered all the way from Kansas. It actually, well, no, it drove. I was gonna say it flew, but yeah, it was flown, or it was driven all the way down by New York. Cat Loco provided the package, New York drove it down. So I appreciate both you guys for the tag team effort, man, to give me this here package. So I'm gonna open it up and then we'll show you what we got here. Everything out the package. You may think, what is this? Well, let me break it down for you and show you what we got. It's on the dog logo. We got the trim for a Cutlass for me, right? So let me show you how this is gonna go together. So as you can see, this piece right here is identical to that one. You know what I'm saying? So that slides in there like that. Boom. From that piece, you have this piece here that's gonna be inserted right here. You know what I'm saying? So you got your rag top level. Whoop, it go around the end like that. And then there is a piece that goes all the way across the back. So, yeah, that's the part that goes all the way across the back. And then the other side piece right there, and identical on the other side. So basically that trim is gonna come right here, go all the way across the back. And then that other curved piece that I have right there, and then the little dip right there. This part is kind of dented, but you know, we'll make do with what we got. But shout out to my dog Loco, my fellow junkyard dog, man, out there in the yards getting it. And then y'all remember, of course, this piece right here was a piece that I got off of a Cutlass, I think up in Dallas or whatnot. So I'm guessing like whatever fabric or whatever that's gonna go around that wraps around that, and then that trim is gonna complete the bottom, and that's pretty much, you got, I mean, pretty much the whole trim. The only thing that I am missing is the front corner pieces there, and on the opposite side, the same thing. I did get an alert on a Cutlass at the yard. That video should be coming soon. We're gonna see if we can't get this emblem right here If I could find me an Oldsmobile to go right there, that's going right there. And that's pretty much it, man. Like I said, this car was pretty much complete when I got it. Just lacking a drivetrain. And yeah, thing got dusty, man. So gotta get it ready, you know what I'm saying? Time gets closer, time for the debut, etc., man. So definitely looking forward to go ahead and getting that done for y'all as well. But yeah, this video is just, you know, give y'all an update. You know what I'm saying? We still working on the piece of the puzzle, man. Like I put out in a video not too long ago, or a live, I think it was a live, I said in the live that, I pretty much said in the live that I was going to be scaling back like on the morning joints. Hold on, let me turn y'all around. All right, so this is what's going on, and I guess this would be the update, special announcement, or whatever you want to call it. Because of the way my schedule been, and time is getting closer, it's March. I got an April deadline, and I got a June deadline. Well, actually, I got an April, April, and then the end of May, pretty much June deadline, and then Whipfest in June. So, the time management is going to be crucial in these next coming months, so that I can make sure I can hit these goals. So the hour and a half, 2 hours that I'm usually on live in the mornings, I'm gonna be devoting that time to, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and get some of this stuff done. So like I said, I'm taking a break, but I'm not taking a break. You know what I'm saying? I'm just re-managing my time so that I can get these stuff done. You know what I'm saying? You gotta identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. T-shirt. And you gotta be able to, know what I'm saying, when it's time to cut back or when it's time to rearrange or, restructure your priorities so that you're able to, you know what I'm saying, get where you're trying to go. I mean, there's plenty of content out there. Man, a lot of people ask me questions, man, and it's stuff that I've already made a video about. So if anything, man, this will give everybody time to go back, go through those vids, gain all the knowledge that they can, and then I'm gonna still be dropping the videos on the updates on the Caprice and the Cutlass. So, really, like I said, really pretty much done for right now. I got the squilling on. I got the new struts on, which kind of got rid of my vibration. I still need to figure out about that bumper, but like I said, I'm really not worried about it right now. I'm gonna just ride it. Time for oil change here pretty shortly. So, yeah, the review is gonna ride, be the daily. And then I'm gonna be, silently working in the back. Well, not silently, but I'll be working in the background to get y'all this content, you know what I'm saying, that's what y'all came for. You know what I'm saying? It's cool, like I said, it's cool to chop it up, you know what I'm saying? We still doing the podcast, etc. Like whatever day that I'm off, I'll probably change the podcast to be that day. It's usually like one day a week. Or not the podcast. I'll change the live or whatever. Whatever day I'm off, you know what I'm saying, I'll do a live that day. You know what I'm saying? That way, you know what I'm saying, y'all can still have it. But all those other little increments or blocks of time, then, I'm gonna have to just, you know what I'm saying, take 2 hours here, 2 hours there. I think it was a couple people that was talking about it in the live. We had discussed it before, you know what I'm saying, just finding the time to get stuff done. And as I move from part-time to full-time, you know what I'm saying, and then with the schedule not being just necessarily, I guess, the regular, you know what I'm saying, being I work nights or into the night, you know what I'm saying, then now I gotta rearrange my schedule. I gotta rearrange my schedule so that I can, still get XYZ done. So, yeah, it's only one me, and I'm gonna just, I think this will be best. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, it'll be temporary. Like I said, after June, then it'll pretty much be a wrap. You know what I'm saying? Cause that's when Texas Whip Fest is. So in the meantime, like I said, just getting stuff done, getting prepared for that, and moving forward. So I appreciate each and every one of y'all for watching, man, tuning in for the videos. Definitely want to keep to like the, what is it? Definitely want to keep to the, I guess, the reason why a lot of people came, man. They came for the bills, they came for the DIY. You know what I'm saying? I want to stick to that. While I can expand, I gotta stick to, you know what I'm saying, my core or / target audience, or what I really started all this behind before, the whole subscriber, like, hey, look at 20,000 subscribers, and you know what I'm saying, all that XYZ, man. And at the same time, like, I gotta get back to what got me where I am now, and that's back in this garage, making this progress, you know what I'm saying, and making it happen. So like I said, I appreciate everybody's support, man, continued support. And I think in the end, I mean, everybody be happy because, you know what I'm saying, we finna make progress. So yeah, I have a blessed one, man. It's your boy, LSF254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.